Hello friends, welcome back to EduDesk. Today I will talk about TCS NQT syllabus and also I will tell you about practice way out. So guys, please like this video, and if you are new in this channel, please subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon to be first and notified. In TCS NQT there are basically 5 rounds, and I will talk about now about these 5 rounds. The first one, that is verbal ability, 24 questions 30 minutes, reasoning ability 30 questions 50 minutes, numerical ability 26 questions 40 minutes, logical, that is programming logic, that is 10 questions 15 minutes. Most of the questions come out basically on C and C++, and the last one, that is 2 questions on coding 45 minutes. Okay, most of the cases they avoid dynamic programming concepts. In case of coding segments, they basically prefer the basic logics of C and C++, and also they prefer command and argument questions. I will also attach those links in our video, so video link, that means in our description box, so don't worry. Okay, this is basically the 5 rounds for TCS NQT in this year, and after this the total 5 rounds, your score is basically dependent on the total scores in these 5 rounds. Okay, so what is in this verbal ability? There are 24 questions, definitely 30 minutes. So what is the syllabus of verbal ability? So let's check out the first one, that is reading comprehension. The second, sentence correction or error spotting, sentence completion, parajumbles, close passage, and vocabulary, phrasal verbs and idioms, voices and forms of speech. These are the basic syllabus of verbal ability, and this is very crucial round. The second one, that is reasoning ability, that is 30 questions and 50 minutes. In these segments, there are data arrangements just like linear, circular, and multidimensional blood relations, data interpretation and data sufficiency, clocks problems, calendars problems, cubes, and direction sense. That means east and west. That's somehow that is the direction problems, logical connectivities, and after that the Venn diagrams problems. These are the basic reasoning ability questions. 30 questions and 50 marks, 50 minutes. That means you can identify, you can understand the total procedures of reasoning ability per questions and the time. Okay, that means a time for per questions. You can understand this 30 minutes and 50 minutes, 30 questions and 50 minutes ratio. Okay, the third one, 20 questions, 20 questions 40 minutes, that is numerical ability. That means you will get 2 minutes for every questions. That is much more better rather than the before, but definitely the problem solving procedures and the questions procedures will be much more tougher than the previous one. Permutation combination, numerical system, that means number system, probability, time, speed and distance questions, equations, geometry, and that means ratios and proportions, proportions, and after that functions, logarithms, graphs, clocks, direction sense, profit loss, averages, mixtures, and puzzles, physics, and base conversion. That means all types of, that means there is a portions of digital electronic segments, that is number system, and the last base conversion, that is digital electronic concepts. And there are some questions from physics, that is just like weight problems, that is in your 11 or 12 syllabus. And after that there are some pendulum problems. These type of questions definitely arrive in your TCS NQT. Okay, and TCS digital also definitely. And profit loss, that is 10 standard questions, profit loss, directions, time, speed, train problems. This type of problems definitely arrive, definitely reach in your 10th standard syllabus. And after the number system problems, as I mentioned before, probability, permutations, combinations, this is also in your syllabus. So please focus on these segments, because that 40 minutes and 20 questions, but it is not a very easy way or very easy round for you or for any student. So please focus on this round, and for every topic, permutation, combination, number system, probability, and etc part, clock and directions, etc part. Okay, there are some definitely some formulas of clocks and direction sense, so please focus on those formulas and logarithm problems, logarithm values or something. How can you solve those problems within a single moment of time? Okay, so please focus on those questions and solving procedures. So this is a very crucial round for new for every student, that is numerical ability. And after that is programming logic. Most of the cases, all the questions comes from most of the time C and C++. but there are some, definitely there are some also some logics from just like basic segments, that is operators, just like relation operator, ternary operator. The most important thing, that is bitwise operator. Okay, please focus on those bitwise operator questions. This is in this year, bitwise operator questions is very much important for TCS NQT 2021. So please focus on the bitwise operator, and definitely operators questions also. Okay, and looping statements, definitely control statements, arrays, strings, and functions. But in case of strings, definitely you have to focus on the, that means just like string functions and function procedures, if etc etc. That means you have to focus on these segments also. Array passing, that means how to pass an array through a function, the array values, array increment, just like array pointer, pointer of array. This type of questions also very much important for TCS NQT 2021. Okay, and there is also object-oriented programming concepts of C++, as I mentioned earlier, and standard library, standard template libraries, that is for STL for C++, object modeling, compiler design, threading, that is from Java, and data structures, linked list, stack queue, as it is mentioned, that is very easy segments, or tree and graphs, and recursion. Recursion is also very crucial for TCS NQT. These segments should be focused on. Okay, so TCS NQT, recursion, array concepts, some pointer concepts also important here, and C++ STL and C++ STL, object oriented concept, abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism. This type of questions, this type of basic questions, basically there are 10 questions, but you don't know the total scenario. Basically this is a huge portions of syllabus, but you have to cover within this period of time, within very small period of time. But I want to mention you that, that is, please focus on C and C++, because they most of the time they question on C and C++. Okay, definitely I will provide you some links and etc, so don't worry about that. Okay, the last portions, I think coding, most of the time they provide coding on, not on dynamic programming, so don't definitely you should not be worried about that. But please focus on some codes that is that can be solved easily, just like you must have also the basic concepts of some basic programs, just like palindrome number, Armstrong number, sorting, searching, sorting, this type of questions. And if you have a better knowledge on C++ STL, then you can easily solve those problems. So one question for 15 minutes and the other question that is 30 minutes, so there will not be such like questions. We cannot expect that dynamic programming concepts or this type of tough questions will arrive in TCS NQT, because huge portions of students will appear for this, and there are also subject NQT. So in the segments, coding round will be much more lighter than the other segments. So but we cannot assure you, because TCS NQT from the last year procedure and this year procedure is totally different procedure, because subject NQT is also included in this time. So but you can focus on the most important questions. I will definitely also upload in this, I will also discuss about these segments in the next videos. So don't worry about that, just please check out this syllabus, and please try to focus on the previous one that I have told now. Okay, that is problem segments of numerical ability, reasoning ability, this type of questions. Good news for you. Now I will provide you or suggest you to check some my own website, that is codewindow.in, that is totally for you guys. So don't worry, now only for you guys I develop a website regarding all the interview process, and that is totally in free. You don't have to pay any rupee, any money for these segments. Okay, no need to pay. And here it is codewindow.in, you have to search in Google, and you can easily find the link also in my description box. And here it is a TCS NQT mock test, that is TCS NQT mock test. And also I will attach some TCS recruitment procedures on command line argument segments. There are two videos are also attached in my videos. Okay, so don't worry about that. There is also TCS NQT mock test in this code window link. So you can check my descriptions box from this segments. You can easily got that link of TCS NQT procedures. This is totally in free, you don't have to pay any single rupee for these segments. So this is only for you guys, for your better future. Okay, so and also I will suggest you these two videos, that is only on command line argument. Okay, that is command line argument 1 and command line 1 argument 2. That is basically 11 minute and 12 minutes video. That is 23 minutes video, but this is a huge portions that is covered in these two videos. So this will be very much better for you guys. So please watch those videos. I will also attach those links in my description box. So if this video is a very helpful video to you, then don't forget to subscribe. If we reach 600 subscribers, then we will upload important coding questions, and also next segments also I will provide you some pseudocodes practice sets. Okay, so any doubt, comment here, and don't forget to like and share. So this is enough for today. I will upload the next video very soon, until and unless 600 subscribers. Okay, so still stay tuned and bye bye.